Well, let's go explore some more. We have got a great day finally. We've got 7 get out of the sun there. We've got 7 days to get out and enjoy this, so come on, we are going to go explore. Well, we're at Letchworth State Park, and they say this is a pretty cool place, so I thought we'd come here and check it out. You know, a lot of this is, I don't know, I don't find it to be anything that great, but I would assume when this floods, then they use the dam, so it doesn't flood out the town down below, I guess. Yeah, like you'd say, in reaction to the severe flooding that occurred almost every 7 years in the Genesee Valley since 1800s, they authorized the dam, which that's kind of what I figured. Usually it has something to do with damming things up so they don't flood out of town. So, all right, let's move on. All right, one of the lookouts here on Letchworth State Park. Well, like I said, we're working our way up to the falls, try and catch the falls. That's the biggest thing that I want to see. And but you can see it is quite beautiful. It's very pretty, not as pretty as some of the stuff out west, but it's not bad for the east. All right, we are going to catch the upper falls, and I did catch the middle falls but not the lower falls, just because I'm kind of limited on time. I've got to knock out 100 miles. I mean, I've been held up by rain for 2.5 days in one area, and that's around this Mount Morrison area. So I want to check this out and get moving along, try to get as far over by the Catskills as I can so I can get into some good boondock camping. But we are going to check these out. We're here, we paid $8 to get into the park, check it out, so we're going to show you some footage here, and it's very pretty. All right, so here's the upper falls, big train trestle, and as I said, I would like to be down lower. I've gotten some more beautiful shots of different things in Michigan just because I know it so well. It's amazing how many beautiful things are in Michigan, how much there's there to shoot and be involved with. So I have to admit that's still one of my favorites. But we're going to try and pop a picture or two here, see if we can get some sun to come down on here, maybe get 1 or 2 decent shots. They won't be wall hangers, but they'll be good enough for the blog and to show you guys what I'm seeing. I mean, it'd be fun to go up in there with a kayak, kind of spin around. That's just what I like to do. So all right, I'm gonna try and get a few shots here, and then we're gonna move on out of here.